I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a new device on Rogers can be a bit tricky, but following these steps should make it a breeze. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the activation process, make sure you have your new device, your Rogers account information, and the SIM card ready. This will save you time and frustration. Step 2. Insert the SIM card. Before activation, use the sRock.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 3. Power on the device. Turn on your new device and wait for it to boot up. You should see a welcome screen prompting you to start the setup process. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi. During the setup, connect your device to a Wi-Fi network. This will allow you to download any necessary updates and complete the activation process smoothly. Step 5. Complete activation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. If you encounter any issues, you may need to visit the Rogers website or contact customer support for assistance. Sometimes, the activation can fail if the SIM card isn't properly recognized, so double check that it is seated correctly. I hope this helps you get your new device up and running without any hassle. Enjoy your new tech.